Hello viewers, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to factorize the expression 49 minus x square. To know more like this, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Our given expression is 49 minus x square. Now we will rewrite this expression as 7 whole square minus x square. As we all know that 49 is equal to 7 whole square. Now, if you look at this expression, you can see that this is in the form of a square minus b square now, where a is 7 and b is x. So, we will now apply the formula of a square minus b square in this expression. Applying this, we will get 7 square minus x square is equal to 7 minus 6 times 7 plus x. Now as we cannot factorize further, we will stop right now. So finally we get 49 minus x square is equal to 7 minus 6 times 7 plus x. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.